In this video, we will learn how to install the Orange data mining tool on Windows 11. Let us start. First, go to the web browser. On Google, type Orange data mining and hit enter. On hitting enter, the official website is visible. Click on it. Here is the official website, orangedatamining.com. Directly the download button is visible. Click here, download Orange. Now under the download section, go below, and for Windows, click the following. That is the exe file. Click on it. The download started. Let's wait. We have downloaded the exe file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The setup started. Click next. Click I agree. You need to choose the users. Select install for anyone using this computer. Click next. Choose components, keep it as it is and click next. Here is the installation location. Orange will get installed under the program files. Click next. You need to choose the start menu folder, keep it as it is and click install. The Orange installation started. Let's wait. The installation completed. Click next. Click finish. On clicking finish, it will start Orange, or you can also click on the desktop shortcut to start it. I'll click finish. Orange started for the first time. For free tutorials on Python, Pandas, NumPy and Matplotlib, refer to the links in the description of the video. Thank you for watching.